Another way to turn your findings into impactful design insights is to craft point of views. Viewpoints summarize the key user needs, and they serve as inspiration for addressing those needs in a very focused manner. For example, a point of view that addresses the need of an infrequent traveler might go something like this. Frank, an infrequent traveler working in a global business, needs a way to plan his upcoming international trip to an unfamiliar location that makes him feel well prepared for the journey. The point of view here focuses on a very specific need, and it provides inspiration to create a solution that serves that need. To create a point of view, use the persona you just created and identify the key needs of that persona. Create a statement then that summarizes what the need is and be as specific as possible. At the end, you might have point of views on a bunch of needs, and you should probably pick the most pressing ones to go forward with, both from the user's perspective and from what's most important for the business and your project.
Let's take a look at how this worked for our persona Frank. A simple framework to use is user, need, and insight. For the user, we referred back to our persona. For Frank, we knew from our persona that he is an infrequent traveler who works in a global company. We also had identified planning his upcoming travel as a need. The more mysterious part of a point of view is the insight. Reflecting on what we found about infrequent travelers, we knew they wanted to feel well prepared way ahead of taking the trip, since business travel was not something they particularly enjoyed, and they wanted it to go off as smoothly as possible.